Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to get verified on Bumble. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is tap open the Bumble application. Now, from the main homepage, tap on your profile picture at the bottom left corner, which will then take you to your profile page. Tap on Complete My Profile option at the top of the screen right under your profile picture, and then make sure to fill in all of these information on this page. You can start off by writing down a bio, adding more profile pictures for yourself, and tap on Verify My Profile. Now, you will now need to copy the pose as shown in the display. Tap on Take My Photo and tap on Allow in order to allow Bumble to access your camera. Make sure to take a photo from your camera as shown in the image. Then Bumble will compare the photo with your profile picture and you will then be able to verify your account. After you are happy with the picture that you've taken, tap on Agree and Submit. Now your verification is in process, and once your account has been verified, you will be able to receive the verified badge on your profile. Verification is a great way to build trust with other users and assure them that you are a real person and you are not faking anything in the platform. So that was how you can easily verify your Bumble account within a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.